Hey you guys, so I am back with another product review, and in this video we'll be talking about this base which is flawless. I am obsessed, so I had to share it with you guys. I got my hands on this Flicka Cosmetics Base Story Foundation. Let's begin with a freshly moisturized and prepped face. Also, let's talk about the packaging. It's very sturdy and aesthetic. It looks super chic and cute. I'm in the shade 01 Ivory. It comes in 5 different shades, which is good for almost all skin types, as it has medium to buildable coverage, which is super amazing. I also got my hands on this beauty blender from the same brand, which is latex and cruelty free. It comes in this cute packaging. It also will work as a container for storage. It's super squishy and it is very good for blending cream and powder products. Oh my god, I can't get over this cute packaging, you guys. It literally makes the blending super duper easy, trust me. So when I applied the foundation, I felt the texture is very creamy. I thought that it would be a little difficult to blend, but it melted into my skin literally. It felt like it's my skin. It's so lightweight. It literally feels like second skin. A little goes a long way. Initially I applied a very thin layer and it gave me a sheer to medium coverage, and it felt like I have applied nothing, but I have a glow from within. I was shocked to see the results. I mean, you can clearly see the difference between the left and right side of my face. Right side is bare and left side I have a very thin layer of foundation. Also, the shade match is perfect, you guys. And here I'm trying to apply a second layer for medium coverage. I also applied a little bit more under my eyes so that it works as a concealer. And this layer also blended pretty easily, and after blending it, it gave me medium to full coverage, and the finish was flawless, you guys. Here is the straight up difference between two layers on the left and one layer on the right. And I also finished it with the powder from the same puff, and it works amazing. And then I completed my full base with blush, contour, liner, lipstick and everything, and this is how it looks, you guys. I am in love. I would definitely give it a 10 on 10. I also did a long wear and waterproof test. I was sweating very badly because it's so hot, you know it guys, but it stayed put throughout. I also did the water test and it didn't move a bit. You can clearly see the tissue paper here, and it doesn't have any foundation whatsoever. It's completely waterproof and it stays for a really long time. Definitely giving this a 10 on 10. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's long wear, it's waterproof, it's affordable, and it blends seamlessly. What more one wants from a foundation? I just love it. So here was my full review of this foundation, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Till my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.